Hey friends, if you encounter the error Bluetooth remove failed, can't remove Bluetooth device in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to restart the Bluetooth services or all services associated with Bluetooth. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services, and then scroll down to the Bluetooth section. Right click on the Bluetooth audio gateway service and restart it. After this, we have the Bluetooth support service. Right click and restart it or start it if required. And repeat the same one for the Bluetooth user support service, even though it is a dependent service, but we'll still do it. The next solution is to run the Bluetooth troubleshooter. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the Bluetooth troubleshooter. The last solution is to update the Bluetooth drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager, and then expand the list for Bluetooth drivers. Right click on the MediaTek Bluetooth driver and update it completely. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. And if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.